Welcome to Space Mysteries, your trusted source for breaking headlines, global insights, and sharp analysis from around the world. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Imagine a radio-controlled airplane so massive it dwarfs anything else at the field. It's not just big, it's a true giant among models, instantly grabbing your attention the moment you see it. This is a giant-scale model of the Airbus A380, weighing in at an astonishing 102 kilograms. That's heavier than some motorcycles, and it takes real muscle just to move it around. With a wingspan stretching nearly 8 meters, it's wider than some houses. The sheer size of the wings makes it look like a real airliner shrunk down to model scale. Moving and assembling this beast requires a special trailer and a dedicated team. Every outing is a coordinated effort, from transport to setup. This isn't a solo backyard project, it's a serious, team-driven endeavor. Each member brings their own expertise, whether it's electronics, mechanics, or piloting skills. For aviation fans, building something this big is the ultimate challenge. It's a test of patience, precision, and teamwork, with every detail carefully crafted. It's about pushing the boundaries of engineering and passion for flight. Every bolt, servo, and wire is meticulously checked to ensure flawless operation. The presence of this RC plane is jaw-dropping. It commands attention wherever it goes. People can't help but stop and stare, amazed by its scale and detail. When it sits on the runway, you can feel the anticipation in the air. There's a buzz of excitement as everyone waits for the engines to roar to life. Crowds gather, drawn by its size and realism. It's a magnet for aviation enthusiasts and curious onlookers alike, all eager to witness something extraordinary. And when it takes off, it's pure magic. Suddenly, you forget it's a model. The way it lifts gracefully into the sky is nothing short of breathtaking. The sight and sound are so convincing it's like watching the real thing in miniature. The engines roar, the wheels retract, and it soars just like its full-sized counterpart. This is what giant-scale RC flying is all about. Unforgettable moments, and the shared joy of flight. Every successful flight is a celebration for the whole team. The giant A380 inspires wonder in everyone, from kids to seasoned pilots. It brings people together, sparking conversations and dreams of flight. It's a true spectacle that celebrates the spirit of aviation. This model isn't just a plane, it's a symbol of what's possible when passion, skill, and teamwork come together. Up close, the giant A380 stuns with its meticulous detail. Every rivet, panel line, and airline livery is faithfully recreated. The wings feature working flaps and slats just like the real jet. The landing gear retracts smoothly, and the wheels are perfectly scaled. Navigation lights blink in the correct sequence, and the cockpit is fully detailed, even if you can't see it in flight. Tiny antennas and sensors complete the illusion. This level of craftsmanship transforms the model into a work of art. From a distance, it's nearly impossible to tell it's not a real Airbus A380. The paint, the moving parts, and the sheer scale create a powerful illusion. Model builders strive for this, capturing the essence of the full-sized aircraft. This A380 is a stunning tribute to the iconic airliner. It's a masterpiece of accuracy and passion. What lifts a 102-kilogram model into the sky? 4 real fuel-burning jet turbines. These engines roar to life, shaking the ground and thrilling the crowd. The pilot uses a sophisticated radio system to control every function: aileron, elevators, rudder, throttles, landing gear, flaps, and lights. Reliability is critical. One lost signal could spell disaster. Inside, a network of wires, batteries, and onboard computers manages everything. Gyros stabilize the plane, making flight smoother and safer, especially in wind. The fuel system is carefully engineered to feed all 4 engines reliably. Pumps and filters ensure clean, steady fuel delivery. Every system, from engines to electronics, must work in harmony. This advanced tech is what makes giant-scale flight possible. It's a marvel of engineering and coordination. Building a 102-kilogram RC A380 is a monumental task. Years of planning and problem-solving go into every detail. The structure combines lightweight wood and strong composites for strength without excess weight. The wings, nearly 8 meters long, are built in sections for transport and must be perfectly aligned. The fuselage houses electronics, fuel tanks, and landing gear, all while maintaining the iconic A380 shape. Sanding and finishing such a large surface is painstaking work. Every step demands engineering skill and patience. The team overcomes countless challenges, driven by passion and perseverance. The result is a flying testament to their dedication. The maiden flight is the culmination of years of effort and anticipation. Preparation is meticulous. Every system is checked, every control surface tested. The team assembles the plane at the field, connecting wings and electronics. The atmosphere is electric as the crowd gathers. The pilot and crew review the flight plan, ensuring everyone knows their role. Engines are started one by one, filling the air with the roar of turbines. The plane trembles on the runway, ready for its big moment. The pilot focuses, transmitter in hand, waiting for the perfect takeoff window. The responsibility is immense. Thousands of hours and a valuable machine are at stake. The crowd falls silent, eyes fixed on the giant aircraft. The stage is set for a flight that will make history. Every check is complete, every detail reviewed. The A380 is ready to conquer the sky. With throttles advanced, the massive RC A380 surges down the runway, its engines thundering with a deep, resonant roar that echoes across the field. The anticipation builds as the model gathers speed, wheels gripping the tarmac, every detail mirroring its full-scale counterpart. It lifts off smoothly, nose rising gracefully as it climbs into the sky to cheers and applause from the crowd. The excitement is palpable, with spectators craning their necks to follow its ascent, marveling at the sight of such a large model taking flight. In the air, the A380 moves with the grace and presence of a real airliner, its wings flexing gently as it soars. The illusion is so convincing that for a moment it's easy to forget this is a model and not the real thing. The pilot guides it through wide, majestic turns, showing off its impressive scale and remarkable realism. Each maneuver is executed with precision, highlighting the skill required to control such a large and complex aircraft. As the landing gear retracts, the plane looks even more authentic, its silhouette now matching that of a full-size jetliner cruising at altitude. The sound of 4 turbines echoes across the open field, heightening the spectacle and drawing even more attention from onlookers. The deep whir of the engines adds to the realism, making the experience truly immersive. The pilot demonstrates the plane's remarkable stability with a series of low passes and precise maneuvers, flying just feet above the runway. Each pass is met with gasps and applause as the crowd witnesses the skill involved. Every control input is smooth and calculated. Flying a giant jet like this demands not only technical skill but also nerves of steel and a deep understanding of aerodynamics. The connection between pilot and machine is palpable, a dance of concentration and finesse as the A380 responds to every subtle command. After a few thrilling minutes in the air, it's time to land, the most challenging and nerve-wracking part of the flight. The pilot lines up carefully, extending the gear and flaps, managing speed and descent with utmost care to ensure a safe return. The approach is steady and controlled. The plane grows larger in the frame as it nears the runway, every eye fixed on its descent. With a gentle flare, the wheels touch down in a perfect landing, the suspension compressing just like the real thing, drawing a collective sigh of relief from the crowd. The crowd erupts in applause and cheers. The giant A380 has flown and returned safely, a testament to engineering and piloting skill. It's a triumphant moment for the team and everyone watching, a shared celebration of passion, dedication, and the joy of flight. The dream of flight, realized in spectacular fashion, leaves everyone inspired and eager for the next breathtaking display. To appreciate the RC model, consider the real Airbus A380, the world's largest passenger airliner. Double-decked and 4-engined, it can carry over 500 passengers and has a wingspan of nearly 80 meters. Each engine produces over 70,000 pounds of thrust, lifting up to 575,000 kilograms at takeoff. The A380 can fly over 15,000 kilometers non-stop, connecting cities worldwide. Inside, it's known for luxury private suites, showers, lounges, and a quiet cabin. The cockpit features advanced digital displays for efficient operation. Though production ended in 2021, the A380 remains an icon of aviation. It pushed the boundaries of engineering and comfort. Building a giant RC model is a tribute to this legendary aircraft. The spirit of the A380 lives on in every flight of its scale replica. It's a symbol of innovation and grandeur. The 102 kilograms RC A380 is a king among giants, but it's not alone. The world of giant-scale RC includes massive models of airliners, military jets, and aerobatic planes. Each presents unique challenges. Some have more engines, others complex shapes. The A380 stands out with its double-deck fuselage and 4 synchronized turbines. Other giants, like the B-52 or C-17, are equally impressive, but the A380's elegance is unmatched. The diversity of giant models keeps the hobby exciting. Whether it's a WB-2 fighter or a modern jet, each model is a feat of engineering. What unites them all is the passion and dedication of their builders. The A380 inspires others to dream big and push the limits. It's a beacon for anyone who loves flight. Watching the 102 kilograms RC A380 soar through the sky on video is truly impressive, capturing the imagination with its sheer size and presence. But seeing such a massive model in person, feeling the rumble as it takes off, is an experience you'll never forget. If you're inspired by these incredible machines, consider visiting a local RC flying club to see the action up close and meet passionate enthusiasts. Or attend a giant-scale fly-in event, where dozens of impressive models gather in one place. These gatherings are like miniature air shows, filled with excitement, daring maneuvers, and the roar of engines. Except every plane is a masterpiece built by hand. They're also full of creativity, teamwork, and a strong sense of camaraderie among hobbyists who love to share their knowledge. You don't have to start with a giant jet or a complex model. Begin your journey with a simple trainer plane, which is perfect for learning the basics and building confidence. Learn from the community, where experienced pilots are always ready to offer tips, guidance, and encouragement. The RC world is incredibly welcoming, open to people of all ages and backgrounds. Veteran pilots are eager to teach newcomers, helping you avoid common mistakes and progress faster. As your skills grow, so do your ambitions. And soon, you'll find yourself dreaming of building and flying larger, more advanced models. Giant-scale flying is a unique blend of engineering, craftsmanship, and piloting skill. It's about learning, making friends, and experiencing the pure thrill of flight together. The story of the giant A380 proves what's possible when passion and teamwork come together. The sky is waiting for you. So take your first step into the world of RC aviation and discover a hobby that can last a lifetime. Whether you love to build, fly, or simply watch these amazing machines in action, there's a place for you in this incredible hobby. Come join the adventure and be part of the RC flying community.